Welcome everybody. Today is such an auspicious day of first morning of शरद नवरात्रि, है ना? शरद नवरात्रि का शुभ अवसर है, उस पे हम योगा के लिए बैठे हैं। इससे अच्छी बात और क्या हो सकती है ना? आज फर्स्ट डे है और 9 डेज तक हमारा एक व्रत चलना चाहिए। हाँ, वो व्रत मतलब मेंटल व्रत। ओके, किस बात के लिए? That we should ask for शक्ति from goddess. ओके, जो शक्ति है उनकी हमको अपने अंदर उतारनी है। और हमको शक्ति क्यों चाहिए? 3 चीजों से, 3 प्रॉब्लम से बचने के लिए और उसको पार करने के लिए। पहली प्रॉब्लम आती है वर्ल्डली प्रॉब्लम्स, जो उसको बोलते हैं आधि भौतिक प्रॉब्लम। ओके, दैट मीन्स वी गेट प्रॉब्लम्स फ्रॉम पीपल अराउंड अस, आवर रिलेशनशिप्स, आवर सिचुएशंस, एवरीथिंग, कुछ भी हो सकता है। सो उसको आधि भौतिक बोलते हैं और उससे पार करने के लिए वी नीड लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ टू गेट ओवर दोज प्रॉब्लम्स, and which is genuine, and we need that strength to get over that. The second problem we have is called आधिदैविक problem. आधिदैविक समस्या वो होती है जैसे ये कोरोना वायरस हो गया, some natural calamities हो गए, उसको आधिदैविक problems बोलते हैं. And the third and the most important problem is आध्यात्मिक problem. हमारे अपना spiritual problem, growth. We don't know who we are. So this is the most important Shakti we should ask the goddess, that we get that Shakti to know who we are through a practice of yoga, through our practice of our self study, स्वाध्याय, या जो भी आप कर लें, वो समझ, वो ज्ञान हमारे अंदर आएगा तो वो प्रॉब्लम अपने आप ही चली जाएगी. And this is the most important root cause for all the problem, that we don't know who we are. We always get around in circles playing our roles, and we get tied to our roles too often. Okay, so we have to look beyond our roles. And today we are going to do some very, very powerful poses that should last you for the whole week till we meet next time. And that will give you enough power from inside to keep going in your practice of yoga. Okay? So everybody sit straight, comfortably straight, shoulders rolled back, and hands you can place gently on your lap in chin mudra, or you can just crisscross it and place it in your lap. जो भी comfortable लग रहा है वैसे बैठ जाइए. And forget about your body. Body should be comfortable. Feel the weight of your body on the mat. And feel the position of your legs. Feel your sit bones. दोनों तरफ equally pressure हो. You can adjust your sit bones or the way you're sitting right now. No clothes should be tight. Make sure your neck is also straight and chin parallel to the floor. And eyes very gently close. And tongue just slightly touching the upper palate, behind the upper set of teeth. And relax your facial muscles. Just gently feel that all the tension, all the stress is melting away from the face. Your jaws are unclenched. Feel the tension melting away from your shoulders. Relax your shoulders. Feel all the stress and tension just melting away from your body. And focus on your breath. सांस पे ध्यान दीजिए. अपने सांस की हवा को फील करिए अपने नोज के अंदर. Feel the temperature and sensation of air as it enters through your nostrils. Try to feel the warmth on your upper lip, on the top of your upper lip as you breathe out. वो जो गर्म हवा जब छूटती है नाक से, उसका जो कंपन है या उसकी जो टेम्परेचर है वो अपर लिप के ऊपर फील करिए. ट्राई करिए वो परसीव करने का. इट्स वेरी सूक्ष्म, बट वी कैन डू दैट इफ वी पे इनफ अटेंशन. And as we breathe in and out, just contemplate on who we are. Is it this body that is breathing? That's me. Who am I? Or is it the mind that is thinking? Who am I? Am I a child or a parent? Am I an employer or an employee? क्या हम वो हैं जो हम रोल्स प्ले कर रहे हैं या हम उससे परे हैं? Are we some kind of energy that is manifested in this body? Who are we? And because we get caught in all the worldly drama of our life, we feel that we are husband or wife, we are child or a parent, but we are none of these things. These are just the roles we are playing. And today, as we sit in our seat of meditation, we ask for that drishti, that vision to go beyond these roles and actually realize what we are. We ask the divine force, that Shakti, to enlighten us with our true self. And in these 9 days of Navratri, that's what we are going to do. It's a mental vrat. We are going to think of it every moment. And we'll chant Durga invocation. And we'll chant it in such a way that we really need a mother. A mother always guides us in right direction. Whenever we are in trouble, it's our mother that guides us. बच्चा जब दुखी होता है तो मन से सिर्फ माँ की आवाज ही निकलती है. तो हम उसी भाव से आज हमारी चैंटिंग करेंगे. You can listen to me. It's the same chanting that was in the beginning of the class. You heard. You can first listen one round and we'll do 5 rounds after that. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Just listen first. Hima Durge Shakti de do. Hima be Bhakti de do. Repeat. हे माँ दुर्गे शक्ति दे दो. हे माँ बे भक्ति दे दो. Listen. शक्ति दो माँ भक्ति दे दो. Repeat. शक्ति दो माँ भक्ति दे दो. Now we can do it together, but I want you to focus when we end the chanting in the silence part. And that's where you realize your true self. Focus on the silence as you finish each line. Okay? Let's do it together. He Ma Durge Shakti de do. He Ma Ambe Bhakti de do. He Ma Durge Shakti de do. He Ma Ambe Bhakti de do. Shakti do माँ भक्ति दे दो. हे माँ दुर्गे शक्ति दे दो, हे माँ अम्बे भक्ति दे दो, हे माँ दुर्गे शक्ति दे दो, हे माँ अम्बे भक्ति दे दो, शक्ति दो माँ भक्ति दे दो, शक्ति दो माँ भक्ति दे दो, हे माँ दुर्गे शक्ति दे दो, हे माँ अम्बे भक्ति दे दो, हे माँ दुर्गे शक्ति दे दो, हे माँ अम्बे भक्ति दे दो, शक्ति दो माँ भक्ति दे दो, शक्ति दो माँ भक्ति दे दो, हे माँ दुर्गे शक्ति दे दो, हे माँ अम्बे भक्ति दे दो, हे माँ दुर्गे शक्ति दे दो, हे माँ अम्बे भक्ति दे दो. Focus on your breath. नारायणी ओम नमस्तुते हम, नारायणी ओम नमस्तुते हम, नारायणी ओम नमस्तुते हम. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Just focus on your breath and let the vibrations of the mantra get absorbed within each and every cell of your body. Feel your body vibrating with the mantra. Whenever you're ready, we can start the Anulom Vilom Pranayam. And you can mentally chant the mantra as you breathe in and breathe out through alternate nostrils. You can also try to pause your breath after inhalation and exhalation for one sentence of the mantra. It's totally up to you. If you can do that after inhalation and after exhalation. Try to make the breath very subtle, very sukshma. You should not even hear the sound of your breath.
One more round, Anulom Vilom. You can gently roll your tongue up as far back as you can. If you can touch the softer palate, it's fine. Otherwise, जीभ अपनी तालू के ऊपर लगाइए जहाँ तक हो सकता है. And close your mouth and just focus on your breath. The vibration that the tongue is making with the upper palate.
Shakti do ma,
30 more seconds. Keep going.
Bhakti de do. He ma Durge, Shakti de do. He ma
You can relax. Take a couple of deep breaths in and out.
Bhakti de do.
We'll do one Bhastrika Pranayam. Put your hands up here. We'll do one set of 20, okay? Breathe in and breathe out as fast or as slow as you want. It's okay up to you. Breathe in and breathe out. Sixteen, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Breathe in, inhale and exhale. Good.